Hello, it's Nigby. So this is the B&Q padlock that I got on loan from the lock breaking kid. Now I recognise that that key fob, so the key fob and the lock itself are branded B&Q, but I think that's a either a Patterns or a baton key fob shape, key bow shape. So made in Taiwan. That's my guess anyway. The padlock still works very nicely. Nice little shackle pop on it, a little bit of rust on there, but fairly clean around the shackle. So let's see if we can get this picked. Just show you that bit in as well. A couple of really high ones on there. Let's see how that goes. Let's get it in the vise. That's probably a little bit too much zoom, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to go top of the keyway, like about 1 mil I would have thought. Let's see how that fits in there. Too big. So 0.8 mil. And some tools. So I'm going to go with this sort of medium lift Moki flat hook. Okay, so that's pin 1. Okay, click out of pin 1. Maybe not enough of a click there because nothing else is binding yet. Go for a reset. Okay, definitely click out pin 1 that time. Okay, pin 2's binding now. Very, very subtle feedback from this padlock. Just very, you're more feeling it through the tension wrench than actually hearing the clicks. And so there we go. We got that picked. So there we go. That's B&Q padlock from the lock breaking kid. I don't think there's any security pins in that at all. And as usual for a padlock of sort of the age that this thing must be, it's all gummed up. If you have a look closely at that keyway, you can see it's been obviously oiled and dirt's got in there, which really subdues the feedback. But all in all, not a bad little pick. So there you go. Vinny smells padlocks again. He hasn't smelled any of the lock breaking kids padlocks for some time, so he's really happy to be out of his cage. LBK, thanks very much. That's number 1.